Good day, ma'am. My name is Trilcy Matos from BSIT 2B. Today, I will be presenting about Poseidon and Medusa, the Roman value of gods in art and sculpture. This report shows how the artwork reflects Roman admiration for their gods and how Greek culture influenced their art. Introduction. The Romans were greatly inspired by Greek art and mythology. They adapted Greek gods and legends, expressing their faith and ideals through sculptures. Their artwork symbolized strength, divinity, and the perfection of the human form. Artwork details. The artwork, often referred to as Poseidon and Medusa, is actually titled Perseus with the head of Medusa. It was created by Benvenuto Cellini between 1545 and 1554 in Florence, Italy, and made of bronze. True from the Renaissance period, it was inspired by Greek and Roman mythology, showing Perseus holding Medusa's served head, a symbol of courage and victory. Purpose and meaning. This sculpture represents the triumph of good over evil and divine justice. In Roman culture, artwork like this honored gods, replayed power, and reminded people of moral values. Through mythology, they expressed courage, faith, and respect from divine authority. Significance and legacy. This artwork shows the lasting influence of Greek mythology on Roman and later European art. It reflects ideals of heroism, beauty, and strength that continue to inspire artists today. Conclusion. Poseidon and Medusa is more than just a masterpiece. It is a lasting symbol of faith, courage, and the artistic spirit and ancient civilization. Thank you, and this is my report today.